What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What you see behind me is my wife's GMC Yukon. And would you just look at it? I mean, literally, just look at it.
Oh, would you look at this?
Yeah, well...
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
The car is not perfect.
Just look at it.
Okay, you see the difference behind me? The mirrors are not the same color. And we did not notice that when we bought this thing. But we're gonna fix that. So, typical cheap folks, got on Amazon, found a set of mirrors. Should be OE replacement. We couldn't find the factory paint code color, so we're just gonna go with this gloss black, which I think looks nice. So, we'll go ahead and do both sides. Here we go. All right, to get started, a few little panels we want to remove. We want to remove this panel here, this one here. There's one down here and one here. So, go ahead. This one here. And this one here. Don't do that. And this last one right here. Also, we're going to go ahead and pop this up. Because the white and black connection is actually going to be our mirror connection. Then we have some 10 millimeters here and 2 here that have to come out. Go ahead and have your little magnet on standby because these are going to be pretty deep in there. Then we should be able to pop the panel off. Popped it loose. We're going to go over here. And inside this mirror, there's going to be 3 10 millimeters. One. The only reason we actually took the panel loose is because the harness routes down and up underneath that switch. Alright. Panel up. With our white and black connection here. Release those. Bring them down. Feed right on through. Now we take our new mirror, go ahead and feed it through. Small hole. Big connection. Be a good idea to have some help for this part, but I don't. Just don't let it fall off. Go ahead and start your inside nuts. Actually, I'll go ahead and hit it. Now that I went ahead and tightened all my nuts, I'll take my harness, run it back down through here. I know you can't see it, but if you were doing it, you would actually see what I'm talking about. Then since you got this panel up here, lift it up. And they're actually labeled black, black, white, white. Lift her over. Make sure everything's lined up.
Last thing we want to do is they're smashing and breaking stuff. So. It's hard to see what you can't see. Feel. All right, go ahead and pop this piece back in. And our screws. One up top. And we got 2 in the handle. Pop our trim pieces back in.
I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stop, never change.
All right, now, would you look at that? Just look at it. That looks a lot better. We did both sides, so if you watched how I did this one, then you do the same thing, same panel, same screws on that one. But hey, if you like this content, go ahead and drop down and hit that subscribe button. We'll catch you later.